Want to highlight your best comment on Instagram? Pinning a comment can boost engagement and control your post's conversation. Most users don't even realize this powerful feature exists. Today, I'll show you exactly how to pin a comment on Instagram in seconds. Hey everyone, welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where I make social media tips simple and powerful. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to pin a comment on Instagram the right way. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and launch the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. If you manage multiple profiles, double-check before continuing. Now let's head to your post. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your profile page where all your posts are visible. Scroll and select the post where you want to pin a comment. Open the post completely before moving to the next step. Step 3. Under the post, tap the speech bubble icon. This will open the full comment section. Here you'll see all the comments people have left on your post. Find the comment you want to highlight. If this quick tip is helping you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. I share simple, powerful Instagram tricks that help you grow faster, so turn on notifications and don't miss the next upload. Step 4. Now press and hold the comment you want to pin. After a moment, additional options will appear on your screen. Make sure you're selecting a comment from your own post. Only post owners can pin comments. Step 5. From the menu that appears, tap the pin option. Once selected, that comment will move to the top of the comment section. Pinned comments stay highlighted for everyone who views your post. You can pin up to 3 comments per post. And that's how you pin a comment on Instagram like a pro. This small feature can increase engagement, highlight important information, or showcase positive feedback. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and tell me what Instagram feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching Preyo Phonie, where tech is simple, smart, and made for everyone. I'll see you in the next one.